Okay guys, I'm back. If I didn't put in the other part of the video, I traded like some things, like a fly ride Frost Fury and some Snowman for Fly Ride Pro. Every time I go into a witch server, like a lot, I see like at least every witch server, I see a Fly Ride code just pop right in the middle. Nope, that is under a couple legendaries. And a couple. No way I'm gonna actually have to point out that who awful system. You know, guys, I have like a built-in, oh, you're kidding. Oh, God. Okay. I used to think I thought the trade was just a flex for it, but I guess might. Meet Moonlight. It's a very, very, very cute, very rare pet from the farm egg. So basically, let's just spend some more time trying to get into a server with you guys. Welcome to Finding a Server with Amesy. I know you guys know me as a Fortnite YouTuber, but just because I'm a Fortnite YouTuber doesn't mean I can't see other games like Roblox. And you guys enjoy, I know you guys will play Among Us stuff, but like, also I know a good amount. You guys like Adopt Me video? That's what I get offered like a candy cannon. I already know what the answer for me with that would be. I ain't waking. I don't know English. I love moonlight. I love crows and parrots. This is why I need the right server. Because do you think I'm gonna get anything out of a middle server? No. But I'm trying to get like fly ride parrots for this thing. Maybe an ad or two, because pretty sure crows are a bit more rare than parrots. So like I'd be a bit over, but I'd be fine if they didn't want to add, because I love Persiflora. Right now it says my dream has a neon parrot. I would have taken one with it. It's so weird seeing it's so weird seeing a crow in my inventory. Ignore every single voice crack. I do agree with the name, but alright. But it's kind of rich. Then you would probably at least have a better trade than that for a fly ride. I really want to see people whipping out their like frost dragons about now. Like the real frost dragons. Back to the drawing board, boys. But like if I didn't include the first part of the video that I recorded, then all you have to do is really I just kind of traded my fly ride hedgehog for like a neon fly ride. You need to trade that for a neon fly ride. Turkey and I trade that for a fly ride. Frost Fury, and then I trade that for and also I traded that and 2 snowman for a fly ride crow, which I think I was way under, but like the person really wanted one of these. I guess you're probably gonna try and trade for more of those. Try and make a neon, I'm guessing, at some point. That's my guess.